Hello, I'm Sydney Lucianna, and today I'm going to guide you through a 10-minute flow. So let's get started. So we're going to do 6 Yogi's breath. I will guide you through the first 3, and then the next 3 you can take at your own pace. But first, we're going to do a big breath in and a big exhale out. So this is a 3-part breath. You're going to inhale through your nose, filling up your belly, rib cage, finally your collarbone, and then exhale in reverse order: collarbone, rib cage, belly. Inhale, belly, rib cage, collarbone. Exhale, collarbone, rib cage, belly. Inhale, belly, ribs, collarbone. Exhale, collarbone, rib cage, belly. Inhale, feel your belly expand, filling up your rib cage, collarbone. Exhaling through your nose, collarbone, rib cage, belly. Take note of how it feels to have the air enter your nostrils and fill up your belly. Fill it up as much as you can. Always exhale through your nose. When you're ready, open up your eyes. We're going to do some lateral stretches. So, right elbow on the ground, left arm sweeps up. Inhaling here, exhaling around, right arm comes to the ground, left arm comes to the ground, right arm lifts up. Exhaling, right arm to the ground, left arm lifts up. Exhale, and inhale, exhaling, and inhaling, come to center. We're gonna come to child's pose, a traditional child's pose. So big toes are touching, knees are splayed wide, creating sort of a V. You can always move your knees in closer so that you have more of a cushion underneath your chest. So it could look like this, it could look like this, it could look like come up to tabletop. Hips are over our knees. On our inhale, we're going to look up, dip our belly towards the earth, and press the tops of our feet into the earth. Inhale, heart is shining. Exhale, cat pose, arch the back, tuck your pelvis and your chin. Inhale, look up. Exhale, arch. Inhale, look up. Exhale, arch. On our next inhale, we're going to thread the needle. So inhale, lifting your right arm all the way up to the sky. Gaze at your fingertips. Gain stability in each part of the pose. So in the lift up, on our exhale, we're going to thread our right arm underneath our body, kissing our right shoulder on the ground, and our left hand is going to be either outstretched or binded behind us. Whatever feels best to you. When you're ready, place that arm underneath, next to your right shoulder, and then we're going to come up, bring that outstretched arm back up, back down to center. Now we're going to do the other side. Left arm all the way up to the sky, relaxing our shoulder, making sure that we're not too far back or too far forward. Threading it underneath, shoulder to the earth, ear to the earth. Arm can be outstretched or binded. I'm going to leave it outstretched this time, next to your shoulder, and press up towards the sky. From here, we're going to come into puppy pose. So stretch out the arms in front of you, dipping the chest, relaxing the shoulders away from your ears. Well, each thought of mine during a meditation, during yoga, I think of as a balloon. And then I let go of that balloon so that it just floats up all the way into the air. Not mine anymore, not attached to me.
On your next inhale, come to Sphinx pose.
Shoulders are relaxed, away from our ears. On our inhale, turn your neck one way, back to center, the other way. Sometimes the simplest poses demand the most of us. On our exhale, we're going to come down. Forehead to the mat, arms by our sides. Locust for 1, 2, 3. Back down. Last time for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe smile on the 5th second. Release. We're going to flip on over to our backs. Our final resting pose, Savasana. Legs apart. Arms are by your side. There's nothing left to do. You've dedicated this time to yourself and your body. And now, let everything that you've learned settle in. And to wiggle your toes, wiggle your fingers. When you're ready, curl to the side. And you can either stay here or press up